Hey! Today's video I'm doing something new which I've been wanting to do for a while, and this is definitely inspired by Tyler Willis's Frock Talk series, and I'm going to talk about my dream dress. So as you can probably gather, I really like these little funky green fellas, the little green men, or the aliens from Toy Story. They are my favourite characters. I think they're so cute. I really like Toy Story generally, but the aliens, they're my boys. The lads. I have several lads right here with me. And I also have a random headdress that's not meant to be here. We'll get rid of that. We'll come back. But yes, these boys. Most important, most special, best boys. In 2016, Meta saw these boys. Meta did a collab. So in 2016, LaForet shopping centre in Harajuku, they did a summer into, I think it was like summer, autumn. I remember it was August because I remember this collab happening. They did a collaboration with Pixar, like the entire shopping centre. AP did the Monsters University set, which I've seen a few times. It's really cute. It's like a skirt, a hoodie, and I think there was some like other little like assorted items. There was, I think Aunt Rouge did the really cute Toy Story dress the next time. I'll put some pictures in just to help. But Meta were one of the brands that took on Toy Story. Almost all the brands did either Toy Story or Monsters. Meta did Toy Story for this first year, and this JSK popped up on my timeline, and I absolutely died inside. I love the aliens. Toy Story is my favourite Pixar, and Princess and the Frog is my favourite Disney. So seeing a Pixar dress from Meta, my heart was just like. And at the time when it was released, I was moving house. I was moving from university to when I moved into the house. I actually have a room tour of that house, and it just came at the complete wrong time for me. I was moving, I was at uni, and I just couldn't get it. And I was like, it's fine. I'll find it secondhand. It'll probably come up, because I was thinking, you know, like the AP collabs, they come up all the time. The baby collabs come up all the time. The Meta collabs never come up. Found this out. Took me 3 years until I finally got my hands on it. And oh my gosh, the final part of this story is beautiful and shows solidarity between Lolitas. My it went up, I think it was about 8 AM or earlier UK time. It went up on the Closet Child Twitter. Closet Child got it in stock. I must have had about 15 messages before I woke up of people going, oh my god, Steph, have you seen? Steph, the aliens! Steph, Closet Child have got the aliens! And I opened the tweet, saw the price, and my heart shattered. It was the weekend of MCM Expo, May 2019. Yeah, MCM May 2019. I'd put all my money aside for Expo. Obviously I had my tickets and stuff, but I wanted to still have a good time, and I was like, you know what, it's 3 days, it'll probably still be there, and they may have even put it on the website so it'll be easier for me to buy it. I was wrong. This was just before Toy Story 4 was coming out as well, so I was just like, dang it, someone's got it. I thought I was never going to see it again. But then one of my friends popped up on Facebook, and I mean, in her defense, she did not know how long I'd been looking for this, and she put it up and in her wardrobe album. I was like, oh my god, where did you get it? And she was like, oh, I got it from Closet Child. And I was like, I was making me, like, internally I was just like, oh my gosh, you got the dress, you got it. And I couldn't be like too mad at her because she didn't know that I was wanting it, and anyone else could have got it. In all fairness though, I was very lucky it was her who got it. We had a chat at one point about it because I had it in my wishlist album, and I think I did the awful and rude thing of going, if you ever want to sell it, please tell me. I feel really bad about that. I hate doing that. But when you've been looking for something for 3 years, sometimes, like, the politeness you know you should go through life with just gets wiped out because you're like, want thing, alien, the boys, need them in my life, need the lads. And yeah, I'm pretty sure, I haven't gone through the conversation, but I'm just like, I'm sorry May if I was rude to you, you're a very sweet person and I love you. But yeah, it came round and she did in the end sell it to me. And I got too excited when I opened it and cried. We're gonna go into it now. So, Meta's 2016 Pixar LaForet collaboration, The Aliens JSK. It doesn't actually have a proper name. I've basically named it. I'm just like, it's The Aliens. This dress is also really, for no good reason, impossible to find. I only know one other person who has it, and they live in California. It's just so good. It's got 2 different colours of red because who needs to colour match? Not Meta. So these 2 are the same, but like the bows are a different red. This also being Meta, this bow is detachable, this is detachable, this ruffle, and these are detachable. It's very important to have things you can detach. Not like I've ever worn it without all of the pieces on it, but you know, these things are very important. I'll just undo the top one just so you can kind of see. The only problem is, because obviously that's not detachable, you'd still very much left with it. But yeah, the bows come off. It's a very lightweight fabric as well, which is quite unusual, but I know a lot of collaborations are this fabric. Like, in terms of being lighter than normal, it does have a slight hole in it. I think I caused this when I opened it in excitement and joy. I know I definitely caused it. One really cute feature is it has star lace. Heck yeah, we love some stars. And then this like ruffle layer that's attached to the inside lining. It's got full back showing. It's really comfy. It does go up to quite a size. I can breathe in it. There's the back. I took the waist ties off, mostly because I lost a button on one side, and Meta put 2 buttons on my waist ties, which is great when you're out and about, and one button goes flying as they always do. There it is. And the end of the waist ties match the bottom of the dress. I'm going to use waist ties and talk about the print a bit, because it's so cute. So we've got the aliens there in their little, like, Pizza Planet outfits. So if you haven't seen Toy Story, A, go and watch it, but B, the aliens are like the mascot, like, character. They live in a claw machine, and they live in the Pizza Planet restaurant, and they're so cute. We've got these little, like, slightly wonky stars. One of my favourite things about this, I say favourite, this is meant in a joking way, my favourite and least favourite thing is that the stars are green-yellow, and the aliens are yellow-green. Which sounds utterly bizarre. That sounds like it should be the same colour, but no, the stars have got like a green tint to them because of them being on the blue. And the aliens are very pale. Also, you have the tiniest amount of orange in the world, and I do desperately want to coordinate this with orange, but I feel like everyone would hate me. Purple too, they have a purple band. So they have a purple band. And first time I wore this, I was going to wear it with a lavender choker, and everyone was like, but that completely doesn't work. And I'm like, the boys. There's also a very iconic like cosplay character cord image that is the aliens from Toy Story. I would do anything for my boys. Yeah, we got loads of waist tie. So we've got planets, we've got rockets, we've got stars, we've got aliens. Also, my favourite thing, like this blue. So I love blue. I really love blue. I love bright blues, I love dark blues, I love light blues, but this is my favourite colour. My favourite colour used to be purple. But yeah, we've got some lovely alien action going on here. I don't have much more to say other than the fact that I love my alien boys. I'm going to pop some of my cords I've done. They're not all successful. Some that are better than others. But yeah, this is like the best Meta. Meta have my whole heart. Meta understands. They understand what a girl wants. Also, this dress has no pockets, but that's normal for Meta. I forget to mention that. Sorry that this is on my bed. I genuinely do not have much space to film. Let's do that. Let's go for this, because I'm going to pretend it's a crowded release and you've got to wear at least one brand item. So thank you for watching. I hope my little waffle about my love of the aliens was appreciated, and I'll see you next time.